In this video, we will show you how to clean the spindle collet chuck of your E3. For this task, have the following items ready: a clamping wrench, an open-end wrench, a clean and dry cloth, a cleaning cone and a cleaning brush for the collet chuck. Select Cleaning the Spindle Collet Chuck in the maintenance list of Dental CNC. The spindle will move into the tool change position. Then, open the working chamber door. Notice: only clean the spindle collet chuck with the spindle cone and brush that were provided with your machine. Never use other tools or compressed air to clean the spindle collet chuck. Caution: wear gloves when handling VHF dental tools. Remove the tool from the spindle collet chuck. We provide a video on this topic. Turn the clamping nut counterclockwise completely off the spindle. Remove it from the machine along with the collet chuck. Clean the inner cone of the spindle with the cleaning cone. Take the collet chuck out of the clamping nut. If you are exchanging the spindle collet chuck, dispose of the old one as described in the chapter on disposal in the operating instructions. Then skip ahead to the chapter on remounting the spindle collet chuck. If you want to clean the spindle collet chuck, insert the cleaning brush until the end of the brush aligns with the opening of the collet chuck. Rapidly pull the cleaning brush out of the collet chuck while twisting it at the same time. Repeat the movement multiple times. Thoroughly clean the outer surface of the collet chuck with a clean and dry cloth. Put the spindle collet chuck back in the clamping nut. Turn the clamping nut clockwise onto the spindle. Notice: turn the clamping nut just enough that it remains on the spindle. Never tighten the clamping nut firmly without having a tool inserted. Insert the tool back into the collet chuck. We provide a video on this topic. You can find the link in the video description. Once you have finished cleaning the spindle collet chuck, mark the corresponding task as complete in the maintenance section of Dental CNC. Cleaning the spindle collet chuck. This will keep your list up to date. For the complete operating instructions, visit dentalportal.info/E3. We hope that this was helpful. Thank you for watching.